Peace and blessings to all my kings and queens and my royals. Welcome. If you're new to the channel, hey, you're in the right place. This is a place for us royals, us regal, and just beautiful people with natural hair, dreads, or what have you. Or if you're just interested in it, I mean, you don't have to have dreads or locks or natural hair, but if it's something that you're interested in, you're in the right place. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that that little bell so you can be notified of when I'll be doing another video. If you choose to, if you like this video after you've watched it, but if you've already been here for a long time and you haven't done that, then what are you waiting for? Okay, this is a video, and you all that have been rocking with me for a long time already know I have never, ever, 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 ever been able to wrap all of my hair up the way that it's wrapped up now. And I just sat down and was playing around today, and I was like, okay, it's time for me to do, something different. Let me see, what am I going to do? And I don't know. I had been trying to wrap my hair around for a while just to keep it up. So when I put on my my spandex dreadlocks cap, it'll stay together or whatever. That's what I was trying to do. I really wasn't trying to do a new style. I was just trying to make sure that I could keep this on because I had to buy another one because I stretched my other one out. And that's in another video. I'll have that posted at the end of this video. Also, stay tuned to the end of the video because I'll be announcing who won a spandex dreadlocks cap by King J in black, and also a dreadlocks tube. Do I hear my dog in the garbage can? Okay, I'm sorry. The dreadlocks tube in red, which you can use by itself or you can use along with this. No, this is not a sponsored video. I brought this with my own money, and it's just something I want to share with you all because I think it's perfect. It's perfect for your hair as far as protecting it, as far as keeping lint out of it, as far as for styling if you want to go outside and you don't want to have your hair seen or anybody touching your hair or anybody coming near your hair or whatever. It's cool for that. And it's cool because I remember one time somebody ran up on me in the store, caught me off guard, and just flung my dreads over to the side. I was like, girl, that's beautiful. And I was sitting back like, do you know you would get cut for that? But anyway, back to this this video. I kept saying in the last video, because I just reached 3K subscribers, and I was so excited, that I kept saying, go to my YouTube channel, because I got a whole bunch of pictures, and I meant to go to, here's Lucky. Yeah, Lucky's my bad dog. I kept saying go to my YouTube channel, but of course you're on my YouTube channel. I meant go to my Facebook channel, and you see way more pictures of when my hair first started, how thin my dreads, my natties were, and how they've evolved over the past 14 plus years. So just wanted to correct that if you've seen the last video, because like I said, I was just happy to finally make it because it took me forever to get to just 3K. It seemed like from 2K to 3K just took forever. Anyway, enough about that. However, this is just going to be a little mini video, and I'm basically going to just show you my hair. This is something I have never been able to accomplish before. I mean, for it to stay up even this long, it's been about 30 minutes. Sorry, I'm in Chicago. We have about 14 inches of snow. It's dry heat up in my apartment. I have sinus problems, all types of things going on. No matter how much water I drink, it's like I'm still dry, still coughing, still waking up in the middle of the night coughing and stuff. Excuse me, and I'm about to sneeze. And I don't edit my videos, so Can't take that out. But I just wanted you all to see what I was able to create. Oh my God, I'm about to sneeze again. I digress. Okay. Anyway, you can see like right around my edges because my hair is actually all gray, like up in here. But I was able to take my time, and it only took me about 10 minutes. And I took my time, and I took two thick locks up at the top and started just twisting them around. And then I tucked them, then took more hair and tucked, more hair and tucked. I remember a while back somebody asked me, "Oh, why don't you do your hair in a beehive?" And I was like, I felt insulted because I was like, "Are you trying to be funny in a beehive? Like what?" Like and better nobody comment down below about no what's her name? Marge Simpson. This is totally this is on some Nefertiti type stuff. It just don't spread out to the side like my Nefertiti tattoo. Boom. Anyway, I was able to get all of my hair tucked and wrapped, and it's nice. I just put rinsed my hair very well with water. I'm gonna show you how it looks. I have my beads in and everything, and I was able to just take my time and just wrap and tuck everything, and it has been up for like, yeah, it's been a minute. It's been probably over 30 minutes. I don't know. But anyway, I wanted to show you all, okay, this is something different. You haven't seen this on my channel because I haven't been able to do it. I've tried. I haven't been able to accomplish it. And I just wanted to do something different. I mean, not because it's 2018, not because of, you know, anything more or less than the fact that I just wanted to just, man, it feels good to have my hair off my neck, even though, you know, wearing the tubes and everything, that helps, you know, and pulling my hair back in a ponytail, which is something I don't do a lot. But just want to do something different. So I want to show you all of it. So I'm going to carefully try to turn around. You also be able to see these pictures on Facebook, not YouTube, on Facebook. I'm going to take some pictures and I'm going to post them on Facebook. So go to the description box and you'll be able to see some pictures of my hair because probably be much better lighting. We'll see. But anyway, this is what I was able to accomplish. You'll see my tats, my tat on my back too. Boom. This is a style fit for a king or a queen. Hopefully you can see all of it. There you go. Some people think I don't be wearing clothes. I wear clothes. I just like my shoulders out. And then bam. Hopefully you can see it in all directions. Hold on. Let me go do it one more time. And again, I basically just took my time, took some strands of hair, and I have flats and cylindricals, so I think it was perfect, a perfect match. I mean, because the flats are laying down up in the front. The cylindricals are all in place. I mean, wherever they are, I can't see them, but they're obviously in place. My gray hair is sticking out in the front, even though it's all the way back to here somewhere. It's covered. That part is covered because this is the last part that was wrapped around. The last hair that was wrapped around was in the very nape of my head near my occipital bone, and then I wrapped it around. So I just wanted to show you all some different things that you can do, you know, if you have like super long dreads. Even if your hair is not super long, this is still something that's probably even easier to do. I like my beading. I have some wooden beads. I have like 3 different color wooden beads. See a dark brown there, beige there, red there. So this is just something different. Yes, I do have a winner for the Dreadlocks tube and the Dreadlocks cap. But before I give that winner, I wanted to say, love yourself and love your Natty dreads, no matter how long, how short, how thick, how thin, however they are. I mean, just love it. Just hey, enjoy every month, every year, every day. Uh, it's wintertime. It's dry. So a lot of apartments have dry heat. You need to drink more water. Eat healthy, of course. Exercise. Do whatever it is that makes you feel good. Meditate. All of that. And now for my Dreadlock tube and Dreadlock cap winner for my 3K subscribers. Star 64. I will be getting in touch with you. I'll leave you a message right below. At the last video where the 3K was, I'll try to get in touch with you somehow, some way. If you hear your name, I know you always hit me up. And I didn't choose the person. Actually, my daughter was the one who chose. She just went down the line and picked the name. And it was Star 64. And it was just so funny because Star 64 happens to be somebody that it's a name that I recognize, and that was cool that she was able to get these. So if you didn't win this this one little tube and cap, these are available at beauty supply stores, someplace where I never go, but somebody told me to go get these. These have given me my life, you know what I'm saying, as far as just making it easier to protect my hair without using a satin pillowcase. I don't use a satin pillowcase anymore. I don't have to, because these are the lick. And also they're stylish. Different colors. It's like 8 different colors in the Dreadlocks cap. 10 different colors in the Dreadlocks tube. But also, it protects your hair. It helps keep the moisture in. It helps keep the lint out. What can I say? And they're reasonably priced. If you buy them online, I think they're like almost double the price. I paid $2.99 for the tube at my local beauty supply, which is a place where I need to go to more often just to get stuff like this, because I found some nice hats too. And then $3.99 for the spandex cap, which is the one that covers all your hair. And if you get a spandex cap, make sure that you get a regular, unless your hair is past your knees, unless it's past your ankles. Just get a regular cap, because otherwise it's going to stretch out too much. Like I said, with my hair being thick and heavy and super long, I have probably about 2 feet of hair easy. It will stretch. It will definitely stretch to accommodate in all different ways, no doubt. So don't order. I mean, I don't want to say don't order them online, because if you don't have any other choice, I'm just telling you that it's cheaper at like local Korean beauty supply stores, even though that's not some place that I normally support. But for these, I did, and I have to say that I have the tube, the bands, the caps, all of them in like all the colors that they have out now. But anyway, peace and blessings to all of you all. If you enjoyed this video, just seeing my hair in a totally different light, a style fit for a queen, thumbs up the video. If you're happy just to see me back after a couple weeks, thumbs up the video. If there's anything that you would like for me to do a video on, leave a message below or so, and I'll see if I can get that done. If you're happy just to see Lucky, my dog, in the video, same thing, you know, leave a message for him or leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. So star STARR 64, congratulations, and I need to get in touch with you so that I can get these out to you immediately. Blessings. I love you all. I'm so happy. God, since I've made the 3K, I'm over that now. Well over that now. Not well over, but it's over, what, 3,100? I think it's 3,118 or something like that. So, I mean, as this channel continues to grow, I mean, just, you know, keep sharing the videos. Keep watching the videos. Go back and watch old videos if there's something that you have a question about that you might want to ask. I might have already answered it. I found that a lot of people, though, have not been even subscribers, and I've been answering. One thing I do is I answer all my subscribers, which I can't go through and see who all are subscribed. But a lot of people already recognize your names or whatever, so I'll answer questions. Now, I'm not going to be able to answer 3, 4, 5, 6 questions. But, however, I found that people have been trolling my channel, and what they do is they'll ask me a question, and then they'll ask, like, maybe 4, 5, 6 other YouTubers, like, the same type of question or the exact same question. And, you know, for me, don't waste my time like that. I don't have a problem with sharing information, but one thing I do is that I do try on this channel to keep my integrity, in which I state that I will answer each question that is asked, you know, especially from my subscribers. I mean, at least subscribe. If you're going to be asking 50 questions, subscribe, you know, and what have you. But if you're just going around, going from channel to channel, or going from my videos to video, asking me basically the same questions, you know, it takes a lot of time to answer some of these questions, and I thoroughly put my whole heart and soul into answering them. You know, just be a little considerate. That's all I can say. So again, Queen of BK Dole, love you all. Hope to see you again real soon. That means subscribe, hit that bell, that notification bell, so you see when I do another video. And I'll see you later. Blessings.